Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to see me in this video. I welcome you. If you are new in this channel, please like this video, share with your friend and subscribe to our channel for further and more videos. For this video, as you can see on the title below, we have a special product from French market that I'm going to share with you. Especially for the persons who are looking or seeking for having the normal to combination skin cleanser or micellar water, which is cleanses effectively your skin, especially after having makeup or removing your makeup in general. So let's start our video. Actually, this product I will share with you here or here, anywhere on the screen. I'm not sure where I will exactly put it, but actually I'm going to share with you in a real video image. As you can see here is this one. This is our cleanser from Yves Rocher. For the people who don't know about this company, it's a French one, which is very known, especially in France or in Europe countries. It is very nice company which shares a lot of good and great products, especially for the people who likes the bio or the natural green skins, which are highly quality, taken from the nature or having before buying a product or just after buying it, we need a review or someone who has already bought the product, use it or experience it before, so that we can know the past experiences or the past information about this effect or the effect which is going to be having especially on the skin of yours. So before using it, we also used to see a lot of videos as like backup or as like reference to see what other people say about the products. Okay, so especially the ones which we use on our skin. Actually, this is my honest review about. It's not sponsored or I'm going to get paid for this video. Only to share my review or my honest point of view about this product or any kind of product which I am sharing in my channel. Actually, this cleanser is for normal skin especially. It also can be used with combination skin. It cleanses very well, refresh your skin. Like when you use it, it is actually a water which is a vegetable water, which can cleanse your skin just after using the makeup or wanted to remove the makeup or just without doing that. Maybe you are at home or outside home and you want to feel free, refresh your skin, you can just take a cotton or something and make it. So actually this 2-in-1 micellar water effectively cleanses and removes makeup from the face and eyes in single step. The skin is perfectly clean, hydrated and toned, enriched with Hydra cellular water. You can feel your skin is hydrated and activated, like refreshed. Okay. It has a fresh water which leaves your skin soft and nice, just feeling it after using the product. And also it is written here in the product or that it is used with Yves plant active product, which is good, which having the ability to capture water and retain it and it leave it in the skin. Yeah, so this product is very good for the people who likes to apply products on your skin which has been extracted from natural original ingredients, because this product, they say that it contains 99% of natural origin ingredients and 0% of mineral oil. Mineral oil not having free from dye and free from paraben as well. As we know, paraben is very toxic for our skins or our hairs as well. So as I said before, these ingredients are naturally extracted. 99 ingredients are original, and also it is free from paraben. Like most of us, we used to wash our hairs or use a lot of creams or cleansing creams for our skin or body washer, everything which may have paraben or many other components which are not good and toxic for our health. So it says it's free from it, and especially in the water that you cannot use it too much, which is recyclable water containing recycled plastic. and dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested especially. So that was so my honest review. It was positive overall about this product, which is good for normal to combination or combinated skin with ideally micellar water, which cleanses your face and feel refreshed just after using it. Thank you so much for being watching me in all the video, and hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Please don't forget to like my video, support me, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new, and welcome back again to see our further videos. See you later. Bye.